All right, so let's work on some exercises, and this time from 3.3 on future value of an annuity and sinking funds. So here we're supposed to find I, the rate per period, and N, the number of periods for each annuity. So this one says quarterly deposits of $1,200 were made for 18 years into an annuity that paid 7.6% compounded quarterly. So we want to find I and we want to find N. So let's find those two values. Well, I is going to be the interest rate. Well, 7.6%, so that's going to be 0.076 quarterly. That means we're going to divide by 4. And so if we do that, we're going to get, and if I'm just going to do that since it's so small, 0.076 divided by 4, that's 0.019. So that's going to be our I. Now, what about N? Well, N is going to be for 18 years, so we're doing it quarterly. So that's going to be 4 times 18. And if we do that, that's going to be 72 periods. Okay. And so we just take the quarterly is 4 years, and we get 72 periods. All right, let's do another one here. So this one, it says here we have a future value of 2,500. N is 10, I is 08, and we want to know what the payment is. Well, if we remember, for our equation, future value is equal to the payment times 1 plus I, not T or whatever that is. 1 plus I to the N minus 1 all over I. Okay, so in our case, payment was what we're looking for. So future value is 2,500 equals PMT times, and we have 1 plus 0.08, and it's to the n's 10, and then minus 1, and that's all over 0.08. So now, basically, we're just going to multiply by this reciprocal over here. So payment is going to equal. Now, let's go ahead and do our calculator here. All right, so we're going to have basically 2,500, 100 times, and now the reciprocal 0.08, and then, let's actually put a parenthesis here. Oops, wrong way. Let's do times parenthesis zero point 0.08. There we go. And then divided by, and now we'll have parenthesis 1 plus 0.08. And that's going to be to the power of 10, 10, and then minus 1 in parenthesis, and probably need a parenthesis right here to make that properly work. And you know what? Let's just delete this parenthesis here. All right. So we get $172.57. So that's going to be our payment each month to get to that future value of $2,500 at those constants. So we had $172.57. So that was the actual value for that one. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.